Hi friends. So today I'm going to start a new series on data analysis with Excel, and I have selected this data, World Happiness Report from Kaggle. And I have downloaded this data, and let me show you quickly what all things are present. Here as you can see we have 2015, 2016 to 2019. For these 5 years we have the happiness index of different countries. Let me show one file to you. As you can see here, these are the countries, these are the regions, and then this is the happiness rank for all the countries. Then happiness score, that is the average happiness score for each country we have, and some of the other parameters we are having. Family, health, freedom, other parameters we are having. Now, why do we use VLOOKUP? We generally use VLOOKUP to look for a particular value. For example, I want to check how the happiness ranking was changed over the years for our country, that is India. So let's check how to do that. Now as you can see, I have the data in different Excel sheets, different CSV files for different years. Now I want the rank for our country, which is India, for all the 5 years. If I type VLOOKUP, I can see there are four attributes for this function. So what are those 4 attributes? The first attribute is lookup value. So lookup value is what? The value we need to look up for. So what is the value we need to look up for? Here we want to look up for India. So let's select this one. So if we select this cell, it will automatically add this to the formula. Now we have to select the table array. So from which table, from which source we have to look up for this value. So this is the table. I want the happiness rank, so I am selecting till here. But we have to make sure one thing, that the value we are looking up for, that should be at the leftmost column. Now we have selected this all, and we will put a comma at the end. Now the next field is column index number. Now I have looked up for this value in this table of array, but after looking up, what I should do? After looking up, I am expecting it to pick up some value for me from this table. So which value it need to pick up, we have to add it here as a column number. So the third parameter is we will specify from which column we need the data. So this is a column number 1, 2 and 3. So if we consider this as a table, whatever we have selected, we will start counting from 1. Then we will select the field as we need the happiness index. So we are taking the column number 3 starting from the 1. If we wanted the region, then we will take this column. So let us specify 3 here. And then the last parameter which says range lookup. This is an optional parameter. If we don't specify, it will take it as true, which means the approximate match we are looking for. But we are not looking for approximate match, we are looking for exact match. That is why we will keep it as false. And we got the value. If we want to verify, what we can do, you can select India from here. Okay. See, it's matching. It's 117. Here also it is 117. Let's do the same thing for the other. So here, after plotting all those 5 years data, we can see the happiness index is actually decreasing for India because the happiness rank is increasing. We can change the country and see the magic. The VLOOKUP is so powerful that it gets refreshed. within fraction of seconds. If we change the country, the VLOOKUP value will also get changed. We can also plot this. We can also plot this very easily to see the actual change. So Excel is so powerful, it is providing us so many features. We will move into these visualizations later, but for now, we will focus on VLOOKUP, and we will also look into other aspects of VLOOKUP in the upcoming videos.